Jenny, what's that?
Some birdies.
Oh, yeah?
We have a new member. This is the new member. Look at its wings.
Do you know who got you that pink bird?
It's me.
Well, you got it from your money, but guess who gave you that money? Remember you found it in the book?
Who?
No, not me.
No. I don't remember.
Grandma Sally.
Oh. Now I can take her out so you can get it better for you.
And you know who gave you that that cage? The bird cage?
It's not a bird cage. It's actually a butterfly cage. Grandma Sally.
Yes.
But also...
And what do you do with that cage at night?
I act like it's a real bird. I put it in the cage. I close the cage.
You close the cage.
Close cage. It won't close because it's a birdie.
Is he misbehaving?
Yes.
So I couldn't find the car for this, but I found this birdie.
That's fine.
Okay.
And now we have 3.
4 actually.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I just had a great challenge.
It's actually very possible that all of these birds were purchased by Grandma Sally.
But I just done a great challenge.
Yes.
You purchased this and this.
I might have. I'm not sure. But I know the
And
pink...
I purchased this.
Right, but that was money from Grandma Sally for your birthday.
Still, technically it's from her and me. We
Okay.
both bought it.
Oh, okay.
So I just thought of a great challenge. Would you like to hear it?
Where's your bird, Nicholas?
These 2.
Let me see them. You gotta put them in front of you. I
Or
can't.
take the...
You gotta put them closer to you because I
Here's
can't.
Here's my other bird. Here's my birdie.
Very nice.
Mommy, look, here's my birdie. Because let's play
Very
a game
nice.
with
I'm
them.
taking a movie, baby. I'm taking a movie. Aren't they supposed to talk to each other?
After, can I show you my 2 birds since you didn't
Sure.
bear? This is my first bird.
Uh-huh.
And you can style his hair.
I can tell he's old, huh?
He's
Yeah.
dirty.
Yeah, he's a little dirty.
Those are old too. We both got them at the same time, so I mean...
Well, actually, mines are cleaner than yours.
Yeah, but still. Mine's just a special bird no matter what.
Yeah.
And he stays alive forever, as long as we have the right battery.
Hmm.
You can move his wings.
Jenny, not to make you sad or anything, but nothing lasts forever.
Well,
Oh my God,
nothing
Nicholas.
lasts forever. But you can make him last forever if you put batteries in him forever.
You
But
might be able to.
eventually
You might be able to. Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
But also, look. So look, you see this? He's on his swing. You gotta turn him on for this, unless he's swinging. Oh, good.
No. Turn that one on.
Oh, in a sec. We're showing one at a time. But Nicholas, after we show them, we're gonna play a game, okay? I have a fun game with them.